Hi, this is Eric with TowSmart, and today we're going to talk about the aluminum adjustable tri-ball mount. What's nice about this particular ball mount, and what I like the best, is the anodized, smooth, sleek aluminum finish, which is great at preventing surface corrosion and rust compared to chrome. This particular adjustable ball mount features 6.5 inches of drop and rise travel, but what's unique is it offers a 3-ball solution. And what I mean by that is anywhere from 2 5/16 at 12,000 pounds towing capacity, 2-inch up to 7,500 pounds towing capacity, and 1 7/8 inches at 5,000 pound towing capacity. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to remove the current hitch ball in place with the one you might need. Simply by taking a flathead screwdriver, pushing in and rotating this particular pin, removing that pin, removing that ball, placing the one that's needed, in this case 1 7/8 inches, into position, reinserting that pin, and simply doing the same thing in reverse by pushing and rotating. You're now set up to tow with the 1 7/8 inches ball. With anything on a vehicle, dirt, grime, and dust is a problem. What's nice about this particular ball mount is the dust cover keeps road grime, salt, and debris out from that lock cylinder. An adjustable ball mount like this offers convenience and versatility. What's nice about this particular item is the tri-ball mount solution for various size hitch balls depending on what types of trailers, trailer couplers, and vehicles you're using, all leading to safe and secure towing.